Right, I just want to record a video. I'm doing the handbrake cables on the Audi A3. The approach from the dealerships is to basically pull the cables off from underneath the car, which never works because the factory handbrake cables are usually in for that long, the season to the thing. Now, this here is a guide tube. What it does, it runs under the carpet, through the car, into the brake compensator, and what usually seizes up is this part under the car. So if you ever do this, I recommend just ripping up the carpet. I had a right chew on when it comes to the Audi, so I ended up cutting the carpet down the middle here. This is my own preference. The alternative is take out that, which I really can't be bothered to do because it's only getting done the once. And then guide tube is basically this little bumpy bit is what gets stopped. It gets stopped, it's like that, but guide tube basically goes like that on both sides of the car, and then the cables feed through it. And the guide tubes are £9.50 each from Volkswagen. I recommend just buying them and then replacing it, because it'll make it 10 times easier, because it will literally just slot in then. Right, I want to explain the handbrake adjustment procedure before I do it. So handbrake is currently off on the car. I haven't connected these yet, but what you need to do now is you need to connect those cables up to that metal part there, the compensator. Try and keep it level so it's straight, because that'll keep them balanced. Then what you've got to do is turn this adjustment nut here, which is a 10mm if I remember right. You've got to keep turning it until the stops on the handbrake are about 1 to 3mm off. Now the stop on the handbrake is this here. See if I can get it. What you've got is so what you're doing is currently it's touching currently here, this part here is touching this bit here, the metal. So I can get a screwdriver. So what you have is you've got, this is the stop here. I'll take a picture of it for this video, but this is the stop here, and then this is the handbrake. And what you've got to do is you've got to turn that lever until this is approximately 1 to 3mm away from this. Then after that, what you do is you put the handbrake on 3 times. You put the handbrake on firmly 3 times, and after that it's automatically adjusted, and then your handbrake should be tight, which is normally about 3 to 4 clicks. Alright, I've just adjusted the I've just tightened up the compensator on the handbrake, so you can see here tip of a screwdriver. You might not be able to see it, but that's the stop there. So where my screwdriver's here, it's just literally about the small width of a screwdriver tip, so that's roughly how much you need. And then that should be it. Just tighten to pull the handbrake, now to adjust it. So now in order to adjust the handbrake's off and compensator's been on, so put on 3 times firmly. 1, 2, 3. Now should generally be about 4 clicks. There we go. That should now be the handbrake adjusted. If it's a bit too loose for you, you can tighten the compensator a bit more and adjust it.